I'm Ben Flansburg, Integrated Solutions Manager with LandPro Equipment. And today I just wanted to touch on something that we've started in 2022 as an organization and as a precision solutions team. So what we've done is taking a new approach to training. Not typically we think about it with our customers. Now we've shifted our focus to internal training. We understand the value of having our sales and service team up to speed on all the latest and greatest technologies so we can better service our customers. So what we've done is there's 6 members of our integrated solutions team, and we've broken them all down so that they each work with about 5 to 6 ag salesmen within their given area. And we meet on a monthly basis for about 2 to 3 hours, cover topics of their choice, anything technology related, whether it be data and operations center or something new like See and Spray or Exact Apply, maybe how to quote it, how to service it, how to sell it. And that helps our sales team stay up to speed on the latest technology on the equipment that they're selling and have a better level of comfort when explaining it to their customers. So this year we wanted to mix things up a little bit. Sometimes training can get, really just routine, sitting in a classroom for 4 to 5 hours a day, looking at PowerPoints and listening to someone talk. So we took a different approach this year and rented out a large facility at Penn State. And we had multiple pieces of equipment there: combine, chopper, sprayer, planter, 8R tractors. And what we did was we brought our whole entire sales team from New York, Ohio, and Pennsylvania in and got together, paired them up, and they rotated around through stations. And so not only did each integrated solutions member of the team run that station, they had some slideshows or some PowerPoints, put it together in a book for them. But there was also a hands-on testing portion of each station. So for example, we may have on the combine station, we set up the challenge of setting up combine advisor to certain specifications for us, or the planner changing the meter over from corn to soybeans and like that. And so salesmen had to work together as a team to complete those tasks. And there was also a written test portion of it at the end of the day as well too. So they'd have to go back, answer multiple choice questions on materials that was covered during the day, and the winning sales team each took home a Yeti cooler with them. We had a fantastic response from our team, sending out some surveys afterwards to the whole organization that attended, asking them, thoughts and like that. And we got an overwhelming amount of great responses about having the hands-on training and be able to physically touch the piece of equipment and not being stuck in a classroom all day long. Operating the equipment, we had a large area, so we were able to actually go out and spray material or move the combines, run auto track and like that. And that was so much more valuable to our ag team be doing that hands-on than it was sitting in the classroom.